Hello, my name is Pat Corelli, and I am the president of Corelli Incorporated, the Terex compact dealer for the Maryland area. I am featuring the Terex TLB840 Loader Backhoe. The TLB840 is the most popular industry size machine, compares to Cat 416 and the Deere 310S. Here you see the extended stabilizers with locking flip-over feet for dirt and pavement operations. Please note how easy it is for the operator to flip up the rear window. Positive locking and track feature prevents windows from hitting operator's head. Easy open cab doors and rear side windows. The Backhoe features a hydraulic boom lock, heavy-duty curved boom, and an extendable dipper stick that reaches 21 feet 11 inches. The control valve incorporates no drift hydraulics. We are proud to say the 840 has the roomiest cab and the absolute best visibility in the industry. There are easy access steps for entering on both sides of the machine. With a weight of 16,500 pounds, this 88 horsepower loader backhoe will outperform the toughest competition. This four-wheel drive machine has impressed every operator. I invite you to try it, and you too will be impressed and surprised with the comfort and performance of the Terex TLB840. Thank you.